Hello everyone, meet again with me Razwa Nurul Alfard in today's afternoon coverage with the theme of small snack with my friend. What is already at the location? Yulfia. Hello Yulfia.
Hello Razwa.
How are things at Yulfia location?
Very nice here. I also meet all of the friendly customers. Hello. Hello. Okay. If I might ask, what did you just buy? Oh, this. I just bought some new snack here. Wow, it's really cheap, isn't it? How about the taste? But the taste is so delicious and the mental sauce is very creamy. If I might ask, how much does the price start from? Oh, starting from just 13,000 rupiah. Wow, so with a cheap price, we can get a delicious best. That's absolutely right. Everyone has to try it. Thank you for the information and your time. You're welcome. So, that's enough information I can be. I return to the studio.
Okay, thank you Yulfia. It was a brief glimpse of today's small snack. Thank you and see you again. Good afternoon.